Hello friends, I hope you are having a wonderful time. So today we are going to talk a little bit about sequences. A sequence is the order in which things happen in a story. What happens first, next, and last. Sometimes a writer uses clue words such as first, so, then, and at last. So a sequence is the order in which a story happens. So we're going to read a little story or a passage. This says, first, Cisco raked leaves for Mrs. Ray. He put the leaves into 4 piles on the lawn. Cisco could not put the leaves in plastic bags by himself, so Cisco asked his brother Rico to help. Rico held the bags open, and then Cisco dumped leaves inside. When a bag was full, Cisco tied it at the top. At last, they were done, and Mrs. Ray gave Cisco $20. Cisco gave Rico $5 for helping. Okay, so from what we just read, we are going to write these sentences in the correct place on the organizer. This right here is our organizer. So, we're going to take these sentences from our story we just read and put them in order or in their sequence. So, let's read the sentences they gave us. The first one says, Cisco put leaves in a bag. Cisco asked Rico to help. Mrs. Ray paid Cisco $20 and Cisco raked the leaves. So, we need to put these in order. Which sentence is going to go first? We will know which sentence goes first because we're going to put what happened first right here. So, let's look. Right here it says, first, Cisco raked leaves for Mrs. Ray. Do any of these tell us that Cisco raked leaves? I see it right here. We know that this is the first thing he did because of our key word or a clue word first. So the first thing that happened in our story is that Cisco raked leaves. So we're going to write that. Cisco raked leaves. Then we need to find out what happened next. I'm going to cross this out too, because I know that we're done with it. The next thing that happened is what? Let's look and read. First, Cisco raked leaves for Mrs. Ray. He put the leaves into 4 piles on the lawn. Cisco could not put the leaves in plastic bags by himself, so Cisco asked his brother Rico to help. What came next? Cisco put leaves in a bag. Cisco asked Rico to help, or Mrs. Ray paid Cisco $20. It says right here that Cisco asked his brother Rico to help because he could not put the leaves in a plastic bag by himself. So we know the next thing that happened in the story is that Cisco asked Rico to help. Okay, so we have that. Okay, then what is our third thing that happened in our story? Let's keep reading and see. Rico held the bags open and then Cisco dumped leaves inside. When a bag was full, Cisco tied it at the top. So what happened next? I think that Cisco put leaves in a bag. Now that he had his brother Rico to help, he was able to put the leaves in the bag. So let's write, Cisco put leaves in a bag. Okay. Then, the last thing that happened in our story, let's read. It says, at last they were done, and Mrs. Ray gave Cisco $20. Cisco gave Rico $5 for helping. The last sentence that we have is Mrs. Ray paid Cisco $20, and that happened in our last paragraph, the last part of our story. That is a lot of money for raking leaves. That is awesome that Cisco got that much. Okay, Mrs. Ray paid Cisco $20. Okay, that is all for today. I don't want you to do number 5, so we're just going to scribble that out and call it good.